Hello everyone, my name is Rajesh Kumar and I'm your DevOps SRE DevSecOps coach. The tool which I'm going to talk about, which is Packer. What is Packer? So here the concept is very simple: code for everything. Okay, that is a concept which we are trying to address through DevOps. So when we say code for everything, so here code for creating package, coding for creating a package. That is a stuff. So what is Packer? So Packer is used for creating a machine package. Machine package, then now when you say machine package, that means what? So let's say if you say AWS, it's AMI. If you say Azure, it's image. If you say, let's say, Vagrant, okay, then it's a boxes. So like that. So list of machine package, let me put it in chat GPT. List of machine package. So here if you see that, no. This is machine package types of machine package. I think no, why this error is machine image. Okay, let me change the content machine image. Hopefully this will give me the right one. Nope, this is also not giving. So here,
Maybe software build package, is that what you mean?
um, no, I mean, Google results is correct, but okay, anyways, let me show you that. So HashiCorp Packer Builder, Packer Builder. Okay, so this will give me 100% right results,
No, you
which
can use Bard instead of ChatGPT. I think ChatGPT is not giving accurate answers nowadays.
correct, yes. This is a perfect answer. Okay, so here, uh, these are the images which you can create. So AWS, you create AMI image. Now Azure, you have a Azure image, uh, Google Cloud image, VirtualBox image, VMware image, Docker image. This I have no idea actually. Hyper-V image, DigitalOcean image is a cloud platform. Oracle also cloud, they have image. OpenStack, Vagrant image. So this we call it a box. So these are the types of image. So what I was trying to tell you here is Packer is a tool to write a code for creating a machine image. That's all. Creating a machine image. That's all. So this tool is from HashiCorp. Now HashiCorp, almost every tool I'm teaching you in this course. First tool I taught you is Vagrant, then Packer now. Next one will be Terraform, which is very important. Consul in SRE, Vault in DevSecOps. So many tools, almost all the tools I have added because they develop a tool which is very relevant to the marketing, to the demands what software engineers needs actually. So this is from HashiCorp, written in Golang, and if you want to customize it, you have to go for the Golang. Now this is a free tool, that is important, and it's open source also. Okay, so that's all. Now the question is, how can we install Packer? So very simple. There's no prerequisite for it. Just type Packer download. Okay, and here this is their official website. Download open source. Click on it, and this is for Mac. This is for Windows. This will in a recording it will be there. So please don't get lost in this. You don't have to install this one. This is the right package. So one executable you have to download. If you want to Linux, you have all these commands and all. So I have already downloaded my favorite location, you know, that C tools and Packer. So here it is. So this is the executable which I downloaded. That's all. Now this path you can add in the path environment variable, just like I am doing for other tools also. So env and go to the path. Here it is. That's all. So you add it just like that, and then go and create one project. So I'm creating one project for this. Okay, and check this command line and type Packer. That's all. Okay, so now Packer is installed, and it will tell you these are the commands. Only very small tool, no need to worry about it. Now if you see that here, this command, um, out of which the command which is very important is this is the one, init. Okay, and then this is the first time you have to run it, and second time you have to run it is this one. That's all. So this will create an image build. Okay, now other commands is just for the few workaround. For example, if you have an old version of code, you can fix that. We call it a template. Template means code, so you can fix it here. If you have a format wrong, then you can use this one. If you want to validate if everything is good, here it is, like that. Only few commands are there. So for me, for us, only these two commands are useful. Okay, so build will create an image, init will download the builder. So now we'll discuss about it. So here we have a SCL file. Okay, SCL means HashiCorp configuration language. Any
Ra-
file
Ra-
name.
Rajesh, can I pause you to ask a question? So going back to your first, when you first started, where does this Packer tool fit uh, amongst that whole life cycle? So Maven and Gradle are pretty much the same because they are build tools for a specific kind of language.
Hmm,
Is
yeah.
this another
So
version of the same thing, or is this doing something different? I'm trying to understand that.
mm, so here let me start from scratch. Plan, code, analysis, build, UT, package. Now then archive, and then finally deploy to QA, and we have 80 acceptance testing, which is next weekend, and CC. So here plan we have a Jira and Confluence. Code we have a Git and Python. Analysis SonarQube. Build we covered just today. Two tools, Maven and Gradle. And here build and unit testing and then packaging. This all this thing you can do through Maven Gradle. Okay. So Maven compile. You remember ambient compile
Hmm.
and ambient test Avin package. So these two tools you can do that. These three things. Now this you will packages you will push to the archive. Okay, archive means artifactory, which is next tools which I'll teach you probably next Saturday. So now the question is where the packer is coming. So packer is coming for creating machine image. So machine image means the image which you use for deploying at the cloud or non-cloud also. For example, I showed you just now. These are the you want to create a machine image for Azure or AWS, Google Cloud, VirtualBox, VMware, Docker, Hyper-V, Digital Oracle and all. So then in that case, you need a machine image. So machine image means I'll put it in a very simple way. Here, what you do, you take a base image and then feed your application, prerequisite, okay, and then applications, and then create an image. Now this create an image. Now this image when you deploy to your cloud or public or private, then you get VMs, virtual machines, and then in that you get applications. So what happens here when I say machine image, then what happens? We take the base image from the any which you are talking about, which you need, let's say Ubuntu base image, RHEL, sent to blank image basically, and then here you maybe install Java, and then applications XYZ. This application and prerequisite you may get it from this place, because this is where you store the jar file. So here this tool is Artifactory, and create an image and then upload that image to AWS, and from there you create a VM EC2 instance and then use it like using Terraform. So here this all this thing you will do through the Terraform, but creating an image using Packer. Got it?
Okay, okay, yeah.
So this will create only a machine image. Okay, just limit that one. So machine image using coding. So what coding? SCL coding. SCL means HashiCorp configuration language. You can write in JSON also, but it's very difficult to write it. So SCL is easy. Now here there is a command to convert into SCL to JSON. This one. See here. Transform a JSON template into SCL2 configuration. So this you can use it for transform. If you write a JSON SCL, JSON you can convert it. So this is the file. This is the code. In this code you will have a source. Okay. So first of all you will have a plugin. So plugin will be AWS or Azure, or it can be multiple also, okay, and or it can be GCP or Docker, it can be Vagrant, it can be the whatever I showed you. These are the plugins, okay. We call it a builder. Let me call it a builder plugin. Builder plugin means these images will be generated, and you decide this in the code, and then you decide source image, and in this image what you want to do, provisioner. So in the source image whatever you want to do, provisioner, and after that build. That's all. Build means create an image. So source image, it will create one image and then do the certain changes and build it. So this way you write using code. Let me show you examples so you'll understand easily. So here I have one workspace. Where is here it is, and Packer. So this is the one code, sample code. Okay. So here this code I am using for AWS. Okay. So let's understand this code. So here there is a builder. Which builder I'm using? Amazon builder. That means I want to create AMI, Amazon code. Now here you can put multiple builders also, like Amazon, you can put multiple builders. So how do you get it? So here go to this Packer Azure builder, right? Azure builder plugin. Okay. Packer spelling mistake. Huh. So here this is the Packer for, I mean plugin for Azure builder. Okay. Now how do you put it? Here you see this line, you copy paste and done. So multiple builders you can do that, but what for time being I want create only AWS image. So this is the builder, you got it done. Are you understanding, all of you?
Yes, Rajesh. So this is not used for any Docker container, right? It's only for the instances and VMs.
Machine image, but here Docker support is there. um,
Okay.
Docker support is there. So let me see that
Yeah,
list
kind of.
of let me show you the list of builders plugin for Packer, because this page is not developed, I mean document is not properly. Oh, this is my blog in itself. So that official document is having little unorganized way. So here you see these are the machine supported, out of which if you see Docker somewhere, here it is. Got it?
Got it.
So these are the images you can create. So here this you have to specify. Now after that, logically you have to specify source image also, which will be used for creating a new image. So here now here if you see source, and this is the type of source, this code, hundreds of example code you can find on the internet. Now source image will be filtered through this one. Okay, how do we filter? Let me show you. So go to the AWS, go to the MI. First you go to this here and select one AMI IDs. So for the sake of one AMI ID, I need it. So this is the one. So Ubuntu I have selected. So this is the AMI ID. Okay. So take this AMI ID and go to browse more AMI. Here it is. Now this is a limited information. Okay. So what you can do, I'll give you one more place to do that. Go to AMIs here, owned by public, and search for this AMI ID. Here it is. Okay, so this is the complete information. So now here you see that name of the here. So name is come from where? So this is the name. And here you see root device EBS somewhere here, and HVM type here somewhere here. So this is the filtering, and who's the owner of this image? So this is the base image, so owner ID. So like that you will put this filter, so right AMIs will be, base AMIs will be collected. Okay, now this is done. Now username you put it up here. Now here you see what type of instance you want to create during the image creation region, and this key AWS Packer need access of your AWS, so you have to give it this one. Okay, I'll just update. And after that, this is the source. Okay, now output will be this one. This is the output. Now this is the source. Now what? So here, as per the discussion, if you see, we selected the builder, then source. Provisioners means what to do inside that base image. So you want the target image. So this is called build section. In the build, you are doing what? So here, provisioners, you are using shell, and you are setting an environment variable, and you are running these commands. That means what will happen? This source AMIs, it will be created by Packer, login using Ubuntu, do these changes inside a VM, and then create one new machine, a new AMI, and done. So these all things can be done through coding. That's all. Got it? This we are doing, installing some Redis or something example, some dummy commands. All of you are understanding?
Yep.
I think so.
Yeah.
So Rajesh,
So
like,
now
doc going to be a use case somewhere or the no?
what is this?
On a regular basis, is this going to be some kind of like regularly we are going to use this for the Docker container, or it's not just for, it's going to be for the ISC most of the instance purposes and the VMs purposes?
Typically, for real time, we don't use this Packer for Docker image, though you can create a Docker image using Packer. But we use it for the machine image, AWS image, Azure image, Google Cloud image, or something like that.
Got it. Yeah, thanks.
So now that's all, and I need to update the secret key. So let me do that. So I am creating my secret key for few seconds. So here I'm creating. So copy, paste it, copy, paste it. That's all done. And here, come to this. Okay, this directory is somewhere. Where is that? Here it is. Not this one. Where is that? Workspace Packer. Here it is. So what you need to do, the first command you need to remember, packer init. This will download the plugins builder, but I have downloaded already. So in this machine, so though it's a safe to rerun, that's not a problem. So you do that, it will download the builder. And next command is taking a little time. Wait for a second. Done. So okay, sorry, I missed this file name for packer. Okay, done. So here everything is done. Now last command which I need to do. Before that, I want to show you the image which is there or not. So go to AMI Ramu Kaka, which is my target image name. So go to here and AMI's. Where is AMI's? Here it is. And private image. Private image. Owned by me. Sorry, owned by me. See, I don't have owned by me any of. So now I'll do the build. So packer build and enter the file name and then enter. Now what it will do, packer will create one instance using the base AMIs. Packer we using the access, it will log in. Okay, log in and then do the changes which this changes, and after that create a AMIs on behalf of me and then make it ready. Now this process can be cumbersome because I have only few commands here, but it can be longer also. So this everything can be done through the coding. Did you understand that, all of you?
Yes.
Yeah. So you'll have to wait for it few minutes, maybe 2 to 3 minutes. Now you can see that here, go to the instance and a running instance. How do I see that? Here. So see this, the second one you see, it's created now. Okay. And you see here, first one, just ignore it. Second one, it created and it will do the changes. And you can see the logs here, provisioning all this thing. I should have run it using, you know what, not command line, bash or something. So this will be more faster because command line had some bugs with SSH. So anyways, we have fired already. So it's okay, leave it.
So the package that you wanted to build, sorry, the pack, the things you wanted to build in that HashiCorp file, this command is creating a package out of that.
Image package means image.
Image out of
System package. System package you can call it, but typically we call it a system image.
system image. Okay.
System image means you create a EC2, right? You create from the what AMIs, that image we are creating, customized image. And you see change is done. Now they are stopping the image. Refresh. See here, it's gone. So they'll stop it and then they'll create that one AMIs and then delete that whatever it was created. Now let me go and check that AMI owner, refresh. See, Ramu Kaka has come. Now if you see the status, still pending, so it's still under the creation page. And now should be, see here, just wait for a few seconds more, so it'll be there. So now how can you find the examples for it? So on my blog, what I have done, so many examples I have given. So for example, This is using data source. This is simple workflows. Here you have for list of provisioners. Here for AWS, this is for Vagrant. This is for Azure. So this is for again some EC2 and all kind of things. So multiple example you have. If let's say if you want to use Azure, you can use for this one. This is the Azure program source and then build. Same way, just like you had AWS, same way
So
you have that one also.
another question, Rajesh. So uh, some of the things may be very um, repetitive. So does everybody have to go through this process of creating an image and then creating a package, whatever it is, and doing it, or are
Ha
there
ha
already
ha ha.
predefined?
No, no, no. It's a part of CI/CD. So the target is, see, when you someone ask you, uh, hey, tell me the step-by-step process for set up the DevOps. So the first thing is like mindset change, culture change. That's a very theoretical. Okay, everyone has to work on it. But if they ask you, hey, I will give you this responsibility, how do you implement the DevOps? Then you should say first thing is to have agile development. Agile development. Second thing is we need to set up a CI. CI means automated build, automated integration. So this all tools you need for that automating the stuff. Let's say creating image. You want to create an image every day you have a build. Remember that. So every
Hmm,
day you have a build. So every day you have to change the image also, right? AMIs. Then
right.
only you can deploy in the AWS and test it automated using Terraform, right? So
Hmm,
everything has to be codify, not manual. So build has happened through the Gradle. After that, it got posted to Artifactory. How do you create an image? Automatically, right? And it should publish it. And then automated deployments, you Terraform and Ansible and all. So everything has to be codified, no manual activity. The question is which tools you will use for this, that, and all. This is a best tool which we are covering as part of the practices. All this thing you can done through the command line also. AWS APIs also, AWS command line also. But these are the best solutions for it. So now here is done. Now you see that image which we created, that test image, which is gone. This is the other one. And now if you see that here, image is there. Done. That was objective. So this AMI is now people can use it using Ansible or Terraform to deploy into the QA environment, dev environment, and test it. And if it required production one, same image. Got it?
Have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.